In today's video, I'll be showing you how to lock your Google Sheets files in your Google Drive. So here's a quick way where you can protect your spreadsheet from other people editing or commenting on your data. This is especially helpful when you are collaborating with other people. So how do we lock our Google Sheets files? Go to your Google Drive, open it up. Here's my Google Drive, and here are some of the files that I want to lock. Again, this is a quick way for you to temporarily protect your spreadsheet or your data from allowing others to edit or comment on it. So how do we lock our Google Sheets file? First, you're going to find it, and once you found the one that you want to lock, just go to the three-dotted line or the ellipsis at the top right corner of that file where it will say More Actions. If you click on it, you will see more options, and one of them would be your file information. On the right, you will see Lock at the bottom, and if you click on it, this will prevent anyone from editing or commenting, but editors can unlock this file. But editors can unlock the file anytime they want. So as an editor, you can unlock this anytime. So again, this is just temporary, protecting your file from other commenters or editors. Let's just go ahead and lock this file. There we go. So if we open it up, you'll see that the file is locked from editing. To continue viewing, reload the document. We have that option right here, so just click on reload. And here we have it. You'll see on this part right here where we used to have our toolbar, it would say it is locked. So we are not able to comment, edit, or do anything on this spreadsheet right here. Let's try that again. So I'm back in my Google Drive and I'm going to lock another file. Once you've found that file, just click on the More Actions at the top right corner, go to the file information and select Lock. Another pop-up message that will tell you that this will prevent anyone from editing or commenting. Click on Lock, open that file, and again, it will tell you that this file is locked. Reload to continue viewing, and here we have it. So as an editor, again, you can unlock this anytime. Just click on that locked icon and click on Unlock File. Unlock. And there you have it. So that's a quick way to lock your Google Sheets file in order to protect your data or your spreadsheet from commenters and other editors. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.